Hi, I'm your English pal, and today let's learn the difference between borrow and lend. Here is the simple rule. Think about the direction. If you give something temporarily, you lend it. And if you take something temporarily, you borrow it. Imagine I need a pen. I can say,
Can I borrow your pen?
sure. He lends me his pen. He borrows the pen. He lends the pen. Borrow equals take, and lend equals give. I need some money. I can ask,
Hey, can you lend me $10? I'll pay you right back.
or I can ask,
Hey, can I borrow $10? I'll pay you right back.
these sentences have almost the same meaning, but the verbs are different. Many English learners make this mistake.
Can you borrow me $10? I don't have enough money to pay my rent. Can I lend $500?
Remember, you borrow from someone and they lend to you.
So, can you lend me $10,000? Absolutely not.
Now let's have a quick practice. Listen and choose the correct word. I need a book from my friend. Do I borrow it or lend it? Borrow. I am taking the book. Question 2. My friend needs my book. Do I borrow it or lend it? Lend. I am giving the book. Question 3. I need $10. Do I borrow it or lend it? Borrow. I am taking the money. Here are some real-life example sentences. Listen and repeat them. Borrow. People borrow books from the library. He borrows money from the bank. My brother borrowed my car. Lend. I can lend you my umbrella. Can you lend me your phone? My sister lent me her computer. Great work. Final challenge. Complete these sentences. Number 1. The answer is lend. Number 2. The answer is borrow. Great job. So remember, to borrow is to take something temporarily, and to lend is to give something temporarily. So now it's your turn. Write a sentence in the comments using borrow or lend, and I will help correct it. And I thank you for lending me your time.